Hi there, here is the Xiaomi Smart Standing Fan 2. Wow, that's a really long name. Now trust me, Xiaomi has truly taken the smartness of this fan to the next level. Firstly, it comes with an extremely silent BLDC motor. Then we get the Mi Home app support, Google and Alexa voice control, 100 speed levels. You know that feeling when the fan is at speed 3, you realize it's too slow. When you put it to speed 4, you realize it's too fast. Well, now you can set the exact speed that you need from the app. As you can see, we have placed this fan on the table. You can also extend it and use it as a floor fan. Let me take you through a quick unboxing. I'll show you how to set it up, how to install it. Trust me, it's fairly simple. No electrician required, no technician required. You can do it on your own in less than 5 minutes. So let's begin. So here is the retail packaging, Xiaomi Smart Standing Fan 2. Some key features mentioned here. At the bottom it shows it's compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa and the Mi Home app. On the side you can read the contents of the box, MRP of 12,999 and the manufacturing details. Alright, let's open it up. Now make sure you remove all the contents carefully. So here's everything that you get inside the box. This is the fan base. Here's the user manual. Here's the power cord. Here is the fan itself, the blade, the front, the back, all in one piece. Then you have the fan assembly knob. This is the front and the back both together. There's also a hex key to fit it. Then you have the motor with the upper stand and the lower stand. So it's time to set it up. First thing what we're going to do is take the motor and stand and mount it on the base, and it clicks and locks. If you want to remove it, there's a small button at the back which you press to release. Now similarly, if you want to increase the height of the fan, all you need to do is use this. Once this is connected, you take the motor and stand and connect it. As simple as that. But for this demo, we're going to just make it as a table fan so that you can see it better. There you go. And now we take this part. Now you got to rotate this counterclockwise to open it. And there you go, it's open. We'll keep the front. Inside are the blades. And this is the back. Now what we're going to do is take this part and attach it. There you go, connect it. Now we take this accessory that was provided along, and we'll take this and rotate it clockwise to lock it. Make sure it's tightened nicely. Okay, now we take the blade, align it and fix it. There you go. Then we take this, put it in front and rotate it counterclockwise. Make sure you tighten it nicely. Now you take the front grille and you align this screw at the bottom here. There you go. You see the screw here? This has to be at the bottom. So what we're going to do is put this here and rotate it clockwise to lock it. Now once that is fixed, you can see there is a place to put a screw. They've provided a screw as well as a hex key to fit it. So we're going to put that screw. There you go. Make sure you use the hex key. And there you go, we are done. And finally, at the bottom here, you plug in the power cable. Now you can adjust the airflow direction by gently lifting it up or pushing it down. Very handy. The height of the fan when fully extended is 40 inches. And with a single extension set for the table, it's 26 inches. Now once we have finished the installation, you can actually turn on the fan by pressing the power button on the back. There you go, it's on. Now there are a couple of buttons and LED lights on the back. First is the power on off button. Second is to change the fan speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the LED lights show the speed. Third is for oscillation. Press once to start and press again to stop. The fan oscillates 140 degrees, covering a huge area. Then the fourth button is the schedule turn off. You can set it to turn the fan off in 1, 2, 3 or 4 hours. The LED lights indicate the hours you want to set. Now I have to say, this fan is really silent compared to other traditional fans. Of course, at higher speeds, it's more audible, but still way lesser than others. At speed 1 and 2, it's like pin drop silence. It's so good. Now coming to one of the most unique features, natural breeze mode. You might ask, what is it? Well, since this fan comes with dual fan blades and BLDC motor, Xiaomi has been able to optimize it to simulate the natural breeze effect. Now in that mode, it's not like blowing air at you, but just soft breeze. The best part is it's super quiet. It's ideally supposed to be kept next to your work desk where you get gentle breeze with no other distractions. It's simply brilliant. To enable this mode, you press the speed button, hold for 2 seconds to enable it. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now technically this fan can be used with all these features mentioned till now immediately after installation. Like if you don't need to connect an app, you're not so tech savvy, you can just install it and start using. However, using the app gives you tons of more other features. Now first install and set up the Xiaomi Home app on your phone. Press the add button. Now press the power and speed button together for a few seconds to enter pairing mode. Add and you will see Smart Fan 2 on the app. Give it access to Wi-Fi. The setup process will complete in a couple of seconds. So now here on the app you have an option to turn on or off the fan. Direct breeze mode, which is the fan mode. There is also the natural breeze mode. It's a softer mode. And as we select this, the blue fan animation turns green. Then you can set the fan speed from 0 to 100. Precise fan speed, just amazing. Then toggle on and off oscillation. Then you can also choose how much you want the oscillation, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees or 140 degrees. That's truly next level of control. Then you can toggle on and off the indicator light so it won't disturb you at night when you sleep. Notification sounds can be turned on and off. And finally, child mode. When enabled, what this does is the buttons on the fans will become unresponsive. Basically safe. Now if you have an Echo speaker or a Google Home speaker, you can even voice control this fan. Like you can ask it to turn it on, you can ask it to turn it off, you can even ask it to change the speed. Speed 1, 2, 3 or 4. That 0 to 100 speed levels are restricted only for the app. So fans of voice assistant, this is the fan for you. Now keep in mind that this device doesn't come with a remote. And I personally feel it's a good thing. Fans like these come with really small remotes which are far more easier to lose. So I think reaching out to the button or calling your voice assistant to control this fan is a far better option. The Xiaomi Smart Standing Fan 2 is priced at 6,999, which I'm sure some of you might find it pricey considering other table and floor fans are priced around 2,500 to 3,000. But wait, this is a totally different league. Firstly, the power efficient and silent BLDC motor. Then the minimalistic clean design, precise speed control, app support, Alexa control, Google Assistant control, and the brilliant breeze mode. It's very unlikely you'll find all those features on any floor fan or a table fan at this price. If you're looking for something classy and functional, you can surely opt for this one. It's available only in white. I'll leave the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.